Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melisandra. Today's video is gonna be on my fridge. It's been neglected again, like always, because I cook. As you guys know, I do make pinch a penny meals, and with the pinch a penny meals, I don't throw out nothing. So I always have some kind of leftovers in there because we need it. We ain't gonna, if we only got a couple pieces of meat, you know, as I always tell you, I save it. I freeze it, I put it in the fridge, think about using it for the next day. Well, there's stuff in there that I have to kind of go through because I really have no space for nothing else. So we're gonna go through it. It's not pretty. So if you wanna stick around and get some motivational speed cleaning in, well, stay tuned. I have some for you. The fridge.
Want to show them our fridge?
Showing them our fridge.
Want help?
Sure.
Same thing.
Me too. I felt like that too.
My throat hurts and I feel like I need to go.
Miss Angie's home. And she asked if I want help. Yes, I do. All right, what we got here? No, I don't want to do that. So we have leftover tuna noodles, tuna salad. Where'd that go? Got a bag. I'm watching the Johnny Depp trial right now.
Yay!
Yep.
Oh. Johnny Depp's lawyer. I kept saying on TikTok.
It's still good,
She
actually.
was like, I'm sorry, but this is not my question. And she was saying that over and over.
Yeah,
I
because
would've
the lady wasn't.
I would have got so mad if I was.
Or she wasn't answering the question right. That's going in the garbage. Here, yeah, throw it out.
And this.
Yeah, throw it out.
What the heck are you?
For my salad. All right, we're going in there first.
Is she animated?
That's good. No, why?
I'm
That's
tired
not bad. Well, I'll eat it then. No, we don't throw out no food. All right, so this is last night's dinner. A whole thing left over of chicken, because I don't know if you guys remember on the live I said that I was frying chicken for the rest of my life. Yeah, I fried so much chicken. Look how much I got left. And there's rice at the bottom of here. So that's dinner for tonight.
You know, I'm a little upset that I don't see any pinch a penny meals in here, because you know that's how you make your bread. So I'm a little upset that I don't see the leftovers like I thought I knew I was going to eat for dinner, because it would be right here.
No, they're right over there in that pot right there.
Just kidding.
Saving it?
That's my salad. Let me see. Let's see if it's still good. If it's still good, then it's gonna be your salad for tonight. So leftover salad.
Should we throw this out?
It's still good. No, that's still good, girl.
It's kind of flaky and it's kind of like all.
Let me see. All right.
I just bent it back.
Fine. Listen, there is a food thing, a food
Crisis or something?
kinda where they're like upping the price of food, and there is no room to just throw food out just because. So if we could save it, then we save it. All right, so that's that. I need to cook this cabbage. Thank God that Thank God that cabbage doesn't go bad quick, because I had this little cabbage in there forever, and there was something that I wanted to cook, and I have these onions. I mean these mushrooms that I still haven't made. So I do want to make I make this at least once a month, at least, where I put you know, fried cabbage with mushrooms and onions, and I just eat that for like a whole week, and it flushes me out and it tastes so good. So
Should I put vegetables in here?
yeah, so we're gonna put the vegetables in here actually. And we got green onions that are going bad.
Cut the watermelon out, eat some.
These are going bad. No, I could plant them actually. Wait, no. Oh my God. I need to make this coleslaw. Okay.
Wait, we can put.
No, don't put it here because it gets bad down here. Actually, I don't even want to put this here. And put this there because so you can see it and eat it.
Oh, no, it's not in there.
Leave that in there.
Mommy.
No, leave it. Leave that.
So what's this for then? Here.
I don't, that's for nothing.
Vegetables.
No, it goes bad down here.
So does this yogurt.
No, that doesn't go bad down there. It goes bad down here because it gets like moist. All right. This goes on the side of the door.
Where's this get?
That will go right here. I'm gonna cut this watermelon today. So wait, we got some, we're throwing out steak and french fries, which I was gonna try to use the rest of the steak. Actually, this was Laylo's and he didn't eat it because he ate at work.
This.
That's garbage. Throwing out this, I was gonna freeze this. This is cube steak and I didn't get to freeze it. And so it's going in the garbage.
I'm gonna throw this out.
Water in here. All right, let's see if this is still good, because if it's very acidic-y, it's not. It's still good. All right. I feel like it shouldn't be, and they say when in doubt, throw it out, but it's still good. I gotta use this. Move, way to go. The problem is there's some people who don't like to drink the rest of the milk, like what's left in there, and so we kind of forget about it, and then it just goes bad.
I barely.
No, and neither does. Where'd the hot sauce go? Here it is. Okay.
Should we
Anything
just
else?
that Corona out?
No!
It's literally Uncle Ralph's.
You can use it for cooking.
Corona?
Yes, a Corona. You can use it for cooking stuff. Alright guys, so
You want me to get drunk? Yeah.
no, when you cook stuff with beer and you heat it up, it doesn't get you drunk. I know you probably can't fathom that idea, but it's true.
We had that for over a year.
Beer don't go bad.
I don't want that in my food.
Well,
Nasty, nasty,
it's not for you.
nasty.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
That's it. So you saw the before. And this is the after. I succeeded. I feel definitely accomplished because that is what I wanted to do today. And yeah. Happy speed cleaning. Who goes there?
What? Huh? What are you doing? Creeper?
I just finished cleaning the fridge. You want to see it? Want to see the fridge?
Yes, I do.
Yay! I'm so excited.
I be hating on the way this fridge be looking.
Well, let's take a look now, because he hates that I save everything. But anyway. No, you know what Kilo does?
There's not gonna be one pinch of penny meal in
You know
here,
what Kilo does? He hurries up and tries to eat the leftovers or get rid of them so I don't make no pinch of penny meals. But you know what? There's always a dinner. You always got something to eat, Kilo.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that Kilo is back, let's see what the man thinks about the fridge. And let's see how long he can keep it clean.
Can't promise anything. Wow, look at that. Is that the same fridge from this morning?
No, I just went out and I bought a whole new
My
fridge.
hand can actually go in and grab things easily. Great job, boo.
You know where everything
Great
is?
job. Dude, you know, I'm a little upset that I don't see any pinch of penny meals in here. Because you know that's how you make your bread. So I'm a little upset that I don't see the leftovers like I thought I knew I was going to eat for dinner because it would be right here.
No, they're right. They're right over there in that pot right there.
Just kidding. Give me a kiss.
We're gonna be eating. Our next pinch of penny meal is how to feed a whole family off of 2 chicken wings.
That sounds exciting.
Bon appetit, bitches!
Pray for me.
Bye, guys. Until the next video. We love you mucho, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Yay, yay.